So guys, you guys are gonna love this one. I think this is a 2007 Chevy Express 3500 with a 6-liter. This guy had it at another shop. They diagnosed it with a knocking noise and they told him that he needed a motor. And he called me out, like, he was pretty far away, like an hour and a half away. I drove out, diagnosed it, get there. Well, I started up there. I don't know if it'll start here. Nope. Okay, I don't know if you guys can hear that. So, we're gonna have to push it in. It did start before, and it had a really nasty knocking noise. And I get there, and I'm like, man, this doesn't sound like a rod knock, because he sent me videos, and I told him it sounded a little high pitched for a rod knock. So I get there, pull down the bell housing, the bottom bolts for the bell housing to look at the flex plate. And because like when you put it in gear and you put it in drive, it would stop knocking. It would only knock it when you had it in like park or neutral. And I drop it down and the flex plate's broke. Like you could see it was broke. Like the center broke out. And then I'm like, you need a new flex plate. I went in there with borescope, sent him gave him photos, and I even left him look underneath and look at it, and he's like, really? He's like, yeah, I want you to fix it. So he had it towed here. So I was hoping it would start, because he told me it wouldn't start once they brought it here. So I'm wondering if this thing like rolled or something. Can we get it to move at all? So we're probably gonna have to try to push it in, because now it's facing backwards from the shop. So I'm gonna have to get the plow truck out or something, turn this around. So I'll be back. Okay guys, so I lifted up the van. I removed the bell housing cover from down here. And I don't know if you guys can see or not, but there you go, look at that. You can see the crack right there, the center's all busted. It really doesn't like to focus on this. It says my phone's too hot, I can't focus. But yeah, that's what happens. That a flex plate breaks right where it bolts to the strands. And then the flywheel, or the flex plate, just spins around the crank and it doesn't turn the crank. There, you can see the crack right there, and then there's going to be a ring all the way around the crankshaft. See, that's his issue, and somebody put a new trans in here too, because this is like a brand new trans. You can see how shiny it is. Like, that's like a brand new trans. And then that happened. So I got a new flex plate here. Hopefully it's the right one for this, because it's 3500. It only had one listing, so I got that, and now I just gotta drop everything down and we'll separate. We'll see what kind of damage is done. So guys, here is the guy's knocking noise. Look at that. So we're gonna get this off and we'll make sure nothing else is damaged. Although the torque converter looks messed up right here. Crazy. So guys, here's the spacer plate from the van. Look how chewed that is from the center of the flex plate. From this thing beating around. From this thing going around, the edges dug in. Look at that, that's crazy. So guys, I got the van all back together. Pulled it out here before I left on vacation, so let's see if this thing starts okay. Hopefully it does. Let's see. Look at that, guys. Look at that. No more engine knocking. So, I'll show you guys what it sounds like underneath, but let's see, let's back this up. There we go. Up. Here we go. No more knocking. Hope you guys like it. Just try to be accurate with diagnosis. They can't be perfect. But man, like if you're gonna call an engine, at least check some of the common failure points. Like the flex plate and that on some of these. But at least like try to confirm that it's a rod bearing. Like I don't even think they really checked. They just said to the guy, oh, you need a motor, and that's it. See you guys later.